Cortinarius triumphans, also known as Birch Webcap, is the most popular and delicious member of the Cortinariaceae family throughout much of Eurasia. There it is widely used for culinary purposes and is famous for its excellent taste. However, in Western Europe the question of whether it is edible or not is decided, for some reason, in favor of inedibility. This mushroom received its majestic name due to the golden yellow color of the cap, reminiscent of the wreath of the ancient Roman triumphant commanders. It is also called yellow-girdled webcap. The birch webcap occurs much of Europe and parts of Asia. This mushroom is reported to occur in Iceland and in parts of eastern North America. Cap slimy in wet weather and in dry weather remaining sticky, 5 to 12 centimeters in diameter. Cap shape hemispherical to convex at first, expanding until almost flat or occasionally shallowly umbonate, but retaining a downturned or slightly incurved margin. Color is golden yellow with a slightly browner center. The cap surface is radially fibrillose and sometimes becomes slightly scaly towards the center when fully mature. Cap and stem flesh are whitish or pale cream, without any particular odor or taste. The adnate-emarginate gills are raggedly toothed, close and initially creamy white with a faint lavender tinge, turning ochre and then becoming stained rusty brown as the spores mature. A whitish cortina covers the gills of very yound caps. Stems are dries, not slimy, 1 to 3 centimeters in diameter and 7 to 12 centimeters tall. Clavate, sometimes with a basal bulb. The surface of the stipe is whitish near the apex and pale yellow below, with 2 or more tan-colored prominent ring zones. Birch webcap is ectomycorrhizal mushroom in broadleaf and mixed woodlands with birches, beech and occasionally other broadleaf trees. Identification of webcaps is very difficult, and unfortunately there are other yellowish species with macroscopic characteristics similar to this colorful member of the clan, which can be poisonous. Fortunately, the ringed stem is a helpful identifying feature of Cortinarius triumphans.